back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing from Expressions Vinyl. Okay, so let's get started. I ordered this. I'll have to see in the box, but I got it probably within 3 to 5 days. So shipping wasn't that bad, and they said due to the virus, shipping was delayed, but I didn't have a problem with waiting for my vinyl. So this is how it comes in the box, and this is a sample ring key for the matte colors. I wanted to purchase that so I could know what all they had colors. This is the sample key ring for the heat transfer vinyl. Okay, then I received a 12 by 5 foot black Easy Weed heat transfer vinyl. I also received the 651 12 by 5 foot matte black. And I love how they have it packaged in here, let you know who packaged your order. This is very nice. I love it so far. Yeah. Pull my box out the way. And so basically, this is my other. Move some of this out the way. So this is my other vinyl I had received. The one with this is the 651. That's for the cups and stuff. The tray sets, wall decals, all that type. Okay, now the ones like this is the heat transfer vinyl, and I got different colors. These are the 12 by 24 sheets, and then this is the longer. Let me get the sheets so I can know exactly what I got. So for the 12 by 24 heat transfer sheet, that was the red one. So this is this longer sheet one here. Okay, if you can see that. That's how long, 12 by 24. Okay. And then the shorter one is the 12 by 12, like this lime green. You see how? Okay. Trying to let you get a good view. Okay, so this is the 12 by 12, and then this is the, you see all that, that's like 2 of those sheets in one. Okay, so that's that. And I also I'm trying to see which other ones. The purple and the chocolate, I believe that's the color. I also got 12 by 24 of those. So those are my longer sheet ones. You can see. Okay. And then I just received a couple sheets of each color just to see how they work. So far I liked how it was packaged. It didn't take long to receive them, even though I ordered during this pandemic. So that was great. I will be trying the vinyl and stuff today. So I received one 12 by 24 red heat transfer sheet, 2 12 by 12 lime green tree, a sample kit, 2 turquoise 12 by 12, a lilac 12 by 12, a jade 12 by 12, a 12 by 24, 651 vinyl, Two 12x12 gold metallic, a 12x12 line heat transfer sheet, another color sample, 12x12 heat transfer orange, 12x24 light brown, 12x12 chocolate, 12x12 pink, 12x5 foot black, and 12x5 foot matte black oriental. Or not oriental, I'm sorry. ORCAL 651 vinyl. And remember, one was for the ones with the white background. It's for the decals and stuff, and then the one with the vinyl background is for the heat transfer vinyls. Okay, then I'll show you the rings. This is very good to purchase, so get you one. And I ordered this on April 27th. That was my shipment date, and I received it I want to say 3 to 4 days after that. Yes. Okay, so, and then on the back it tells you the color. So I think this is very good to have. If you guys like this video and would like more unboxing videos for different businesses, let me know and I will do that as well. Thank you all for watching. Until next video, bye bye.